In 2023, people who started YouTube Shorts are now earning thousands of dollars. The creators who began posting consistently on Instagram Reels in 2024 are now working with luxury brands. But in 2025, Snapchat Spotlight has opened a huge opportunity. And if you haven't started yet, you'll regret it later. Snapchat has new monetization rules. If you follow them, you can monetize your public profile and earn money. Snapchat is faster to grow than Instagram or YouTube because the rules are still simple. How to make money on Snapchat. There are 3 ways. Make money from Snapchat. Spotlight. This is like scrolling through videos. Just like YouTube Shorts, Snapchat shows ads in Spotlight videos, and creators earn money from those ads. Stories. These are the photos and short videos you see in the Discover section. When you watch someone's stories, ads play in between. Creators earn money from those ads. Snapchat shows. This is like Netflix. If your series is approved, you can earn a lot. But we will focus first on Spotlight and Stories, because they are easier to start with. Snapchat monetization requirements. To start earning money on Snapchat, you need to complete 3 simple levels. You must have at least 50 followers on your public profile. In the last 28 days, you need to get either 10 million story views or 1 million Spotlight views. You also need a total of 12,000 hours of watch time. Post at least 25 times per month to save Stories or Spotlight, and post to either Spotlight or Public Stories on at least 10 of the last 28 days. Let's see how to create an account on Snapchat. Go to the Snapchat app. There, you'll see a sign up option. Tap on it. Now, fill in all the details it asks for. For security reasons, I'm skipping this step in the video. When you finish the process, click Submit. Now, add your phone number or email for verification. Now you may think, what content should post on Snapchat? If you're already creating content on Instagram or YouTube, you can reuse that content on Snapchat. Just make a few small changes. But remember, the most successful Spotlight videos are funny, interesting, and easy to share. Many creators upload memes and funny clips from Instagram to Snapchat and get millions of views. Just don't copy and paste the same video. Try to mix your old content with some original touches to make it feel fresh.